Welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. I, Tanu Srivastava, presenting the topic Working with Table. In this video, we will see the solve exercise of chapter 3. First, we see fill in the blanks. The dash key is used to move the cursor to the adjoining cell of a table. The answer will be tab key. Dash option is used to insert a pre-designed table in a Word document. Quick table. A small hollow square at the bottom right corner of the table is called dash handle. That is called table resize handle. Using that, we can change the size of the table. The dash option adjusts the table according to the margin set on a window. Correct answer is auto fit window. Dash controls the overall appearance of a table. That is the formatting. Dash a cell means dividing the selected cell into the separate cells. That is the split cell. It is used to divide a single cell into multiple cells. Now we will see true false. Press shift plus tab key to move to the next cell. False. We use tab key to move to the next cell. Shift plus tab is used to move to the previous cell. Clicking on the table move handle will select the entire table. True. You can insert column only to the left side of the selected column. False. Auto-fit content option adjusts the column width according to the data entered. True. Cell cannot be merged in a table. False. We can add a row or column in table by clicking on the plus sign. True. Now the multiple choice question. The intersection of row and column is called the cell. The table group is present in the dash tab. Answer is insert tab. Which key combination deletes the selected row and column from the table? Shift plus delete. Which function key is used to update the total in a cell? That is F9. Which among the following shortcut key is used on the numeric keypad to select the entire table? Alt plus 5. Keep remember one thing, that when you are doing the MCQ, you write only the answer. No need to write all the options. Now we will see the question answer. How is the table useful? Table is the combination of rows and columns. It is very useful in organizing and representing the information and numeric data in an structured way. State the difference between table move handle and the table resize handle. Table move handle is used to select the entire table. We can apply formatting effects that can be applied to the entire table together. We can move the table from one place to another place using the table move handle. But the small hollow square at the bottom right corner of the table is called the table resize handle. It is used to resize the table. Now the difference between a split cell and the merged cell. To divide a single cell into multiple cells is called a split cell, but merged cell is the combination of two or more cells in a single cell. What do you understand by the term formatting? Formatting controls the overall appearance. Formatting in table is used by using the table style feature. It is an inbuilt facility to change the appearance, color and border of a table. Now the next, briefly explain the quick way in which you can change the column width in a table. We have to write the steps now. The steps to change the column width are: first we select the column. Select the column which way you want to change. Click on the layout tab. Select the properties button in the table group The table properties dialog box appears. Click on the column tab. Set the preferred width checkbox. Set the value and click on OK. The column width will be fixed. Thank you.